A woman's face with nature's own hand painted hast thou, master mistress of my passion. A woman's gentle heart, though not acquainted with shifting change, as is false women's passion. An eye more bright than theirs, less false in rolling, gilding the object whereupon it gazeth. A man in hue, all hues in his controlling, which steals men's eyes and women's souls amazeth. And for a woman wert thou first created, till nature, as she wrought thee, fell a-doting, and in addition me in thee defeated, adding one thing to my purpose, nothing. But since thou wert pricked out for women's pleasure, mine be thy love, and thy love's use their treasure. Whew.